Vena Lake is one of the tourist attractions of Mahabaleshwar. The lake was constructed by Raja of Satara in 1942. Max depth of 120 feet and length of 4 km. Surrounded by trees, tourists can enjoy a boat ride over the lake or the horse ride next to the lake. The area named after daughter of British governor Sir John Malcolm. This is the most picturesque point in Panchgani, best place to see the Elephant Point. The former name of the point was Neck Khain, provides a stunning view of the Krishna Valley and the Dhoom Dam. I admired the beautiful scenic point and got a breathtaking view of the surrounding area as a school-going child. What you get to see from here is the blue stretch of water marking river Krishna, the Dhoom Dam, and the mountains with green stretch. Views are awesome. This point is at a height of 1290 meter and stands a distance of 6.8 km from the main market. There is an eco point here as well. Arthur Seat Point is located at a height of 1340 meter, named after Sir Arthur Mallet, used to watch the river Krishna where his wife and daughter had drawn. And he was the first man to build a house at this point. The only point that clearly shows the geological contrast between the Konkan and the Deccan territories. From the parking, visitors need to do 30-minute walk to reach the viewpoint. The trek is an easy one with stone steps for most of the way. There are a lot of vendors throughout the route. This point is most popular point in Mahabaleshwar, popularly known as Queen of Points. It is famous for floating objects. If you throw light things in the valley, it comes up again due to air pressure. Pratapgarh Fort is a large fort located in Satara district in the western Indian state of Maharashtra. Significant as the site of Battle of Pratapgarh built in 1656 by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. The Battle of Pratapgarh between Chhatrapati Shivaji and Afzal Khan was fought below the rampart of this fort in 1659. This was the first major test of the fledgling kingdom's army and set the stage of the establishment of Maratha Empire. This fort is located far away from Mahabaleshwar. Driving through the forest was an awesome experience. The spiral roads made by cutting through the mountains, the forest, western ghat and the cool breeze offered memorable experiences. It's around 400 steps to the top and you will be treated to wonderful view of the landscape around you. At a distance of 4 km from Mahabaleshwar, Lodbik Point lies at an elevation of 4000 feet. This area has 2 points, Lodbik and Elphinstone. Lodbik Point was rechristened in the honor of General Lodbik, who was the first British officer to climb the hill in 1824. To honor General Lodbik's achievement, his son erected a memorial of about 25 feet.
भैया पॉइंट किधर है? ये पहला नीचे वाला देखिए. Okay.
This point offers unmatched view of the Pratapgarh Fort and Elphinstone Point at a distance. Elphinstone Point is the extreme end of the mountain range and lies beyond the Lodbik Point. The extended front part of the hill looks like Elephant Head. One needs to walk almost 1.5 km from parking area. Perhaps the best place for photography and enjoy nature. You need to buy the ticket to visit this place. Once you enter inside the gate, you need to climb down around 200 steps. At one point there are 2 paths. The left take you to the Lingmala mini falls. which is a beautiful place with natural pond and a small waterfall created in the river. The place is covered with thin forest. The name Parsi Point is inspired by significance of the place to the early Parsi community. It's surrounded by lofty green mountains on all sides. One can avail telescope service to catch jaw-dropping view from different angles. Panchgani is beautiful and soul-touching all year round and can be visited anytime. Most of the tourists prefer visiting Parsi Point during winter months of December to Feb, as this happens to be the best time. Sydney Point is situated on a hill that faces Krishna Valley. It was named after Sir Sidney Beckworth, Commander-in-Chief who succeeded Sir John Malcolm as Bombay's governor in 1830. A very narrow road goes almost a kilometer up from the main road and opens into an awesome scenic view of blue skies and mountain range. Nice hill point with peaceful view. Hanging bridge on edge was thrilling experience. You can enjoy sunset from top. The 5 hills surrounding Panchgani near Mahabaleshwar are topped by volcanic plateau, which is the second highest in Asia after the Tibetan Plateau. These plateaus, alternatively known as tableland, is a part of Deccan Plateau and were raised by pressure between the earth plates. It is capped with laterite rock, located at a height of 1300 meters. Horse riding is popular here. Many Bollywood movies have been filmed on the tableland. I am sure many of you must have seen this place in the Bollywood movies.